Hello, let's play the Netflix puzzled Starstruck. And if you stick around to the end, I'm also going to play the new game that they just introduced. But we're going to start with Starstruck. We'll do the easy, then the hard. And the easy is called candles. The way we play this game is in each row, each column, and each colored region, we're placing exactly one star. Stars also can't touch each other, even diagonally. So these are gimmies. They're regions of one, so they have the star where they are. And then orange is going to use up the rest of this column. Red's going to use up this column, and gray's already uses that column. So it actually leaves just one place for brown, one place in orange, one place in red, green, and then gray. This is a plonker of all plonkers. You can just sort of just place the stars and be done with it in like 15 seconds or less. Tower of Hanoi, just one Tower of Hanoi, not towers. All right, well, we've got a lot of Xing to do here, so let's just do it. Oops. And then this one also gets rid of those two. That gets rid of those two. All right. Okay, that covers that. What now? Oh, I missed those. So this is what I'm seeing here. I don't know if it's the most optimal thing, but doing square analysis, 2x2 square analysis can be really helpful. Maybe I'll just use lines so that I can be a little more accurate here. In a 2x2 square, you can have up to one star. You don't have to have a star, but you can't have more than one. But I can sketch out two squares here and show that they fully cover our orange and yellow. So we're gonna have to include two stars, so it's gonna be one per square. We can do, not here, we can do the same thing here with gray and blue. There's other ways to do this analysis, but I think this is really clean. So we're gonna, this completely covers gray and blue, and we have to have one in each square. And so that's actually gonna use up all of the stars for these columns because there's one in these, each of these squares has one star. So that's 4 stars for 4 columns. And so the rest of the column is out. So we can just get rid of all of these because of that. So that now we can continue, right? We've got, I'm just going to really quickly, wait, hold on. Did I fail to, oh no, the oranges, I saw these two squares and I saw these squares, but they don't line up. Never mind about that. Oh, but I should have gotten rid of these two because of the yellow. So yeah, now we can do it. Okay, so we've got this one, we've got this one, we've got this one, and we've got this one, right? So those 4 columns are used up now. We can just get rid of them. Okay. I was like, what's going on? Why isn't it symmetric? It's a symmetric puzzle. All right, so now what? Good question. Next question. Oh, red is these two. That gets rid of this one, which sees both. And so now brown is only in the top row, so that's out for whatever good that does. I'm noticing this red would get rid of this purple and this indigo. Oh, indigo has to use the left row. We could have done that right from the start. I was just paying attention to other stuff. So that's out. Yeah, it's this indigo or red here, indigo or red here. That tells us about the 2 purples, which tells us about the 2 orange, 2 grays, 2 blues. And that propagates up here. So it's got to be something. What's going to distinguish this? Oh, we have more squares. Of course. We have this square and this square. Just really quick here. And we've got this square and we've got this square, right? And so that just gets rid of this one red, which is really important because it tells us that this red's in. Which gives us the purple and the orange and the gray and the blue and the yellow and the orange and the green and the gray and brown. We're done. Okay. Don't go yet. We have a new game to play. I'm not going to play it every day, but I figured I'd show it. It's called Snippets. It is a logic game, which is nice. It's not a word game. So we're going to line this up. It's called Cheshire today. And so not only is it a logic puzzle, but it makes a nice picture usually, from what I understand. All right, so what we need to do is, first of all, get everything on screen. The numbers tell you the size of a rectangle that it has to go into. I'm sure you've played games like that before. So this has to be involved in a 4. It could be this square, or it could be this 4 here. Okay, so we have an issue, which is if we took these 4, the problem is that this now can't be a 4. Because I don't think the numbers can, you can have more than one number in a region. So we're going to do that. This 4 now does that. I think some of these are vibed a bit, but we'll see. That 4 goes there. This is going to be Cheshire Cat. That's nice. This 2 does that. That means this 2 does that. And what's this 4 going to do? I think it has to do this. No, because then I can't take all these. It does that then. The 2 does that. 4 has to take this square here. We do the 2, the 2, the 2, and the 2, and we're done. All right. Usually these are quick. I mean, when I say usually, yesterday's is the only one I played on my own because it came out yesterday. But so far they've been pretty quick. And that was logically deducible. There was only one solution. So someone was complaining there was more than one, but I don't know that that's true. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. How'd you do?